Ever pondered over the intricacies of SQL commands? How do these sets of instructions communicate with databases to perform operations? Today, you're in for a treat as we unravel this mystery together. Let's begin with a short overview of SQL, the structured query language. It's an essential tool in the world of databases, enabling us to perform operations on an existing database and even create a new one. SQL uses specific commands like create, drop, insert, and more to execute the required tasks. Think of SQL commands as directions given to a table. These instructions allow interaction with the database, performing specific tasks, functions, and queries of data. From creating a table, adding data to tables, dropping the table, modifying the table, to setting permissions for users, SQL covers a broad spectrum of functions. These commands are primarily divided into 5 categories: data definition language, data query language, data manipulation language, data control language, and transaction control language. Let's dive into each of these categories. First, the data definition language, or DDL. This set of SQL commands is used for defining, altering, and managing data structures in a database. The main commands used in DDL are create, alter, and drop. Next up is the data query language, also known as DQL. This is where select comes into play. The select command allows you to query data within a database. It is the primary command used for retrieving data from a database. Then we have the data manipulation language, or DML. This set of commands is used for inserting, changing, and deleting data within a database. The main commands in this category are insert, update, and delete. Moving on to the data control language, or DCL. This set of commands is all about controlling access to data within a database. The primary commands include grant and revoke, which manage user privileges. And lastly, the transaction control language, or TCL. This set of commands is used to manage different transactions occurring within a database. The main commands used in TCL are commit, rollback, and save point. So to summarize, SQL commands are sets of instructions used for interacting with a database. These commands are divided into 5 categories: DDL for defining and managing data structures, DQL for querying data, DML for manipulating data, DCL for controlling access to data, and TCL for managing transactions. These commands work together to perform a wide range of tasks and functions within a database, making SQL an indispensable tool in the realm of data management. So the next time you're working with SQL, remember these categories and their functions. They will not only help you understand the actions you're performing, but also enable you to use SQL more effectively and efficiently. You're now one step closer to mastering SQL commands. Enjoy the journey.